Here we are back at the Surron, fixing the belt. When I put it back together, I put that one in first. Then I went on to them two. Don't forget the washer at the back, the washer at the front, the collar in the middle. Check your bearings as well inside there. In here, the piston, like the big spindle, goes right through. There's a collar there, make sure you get that right. Put your belt down here, take your guard off, put your belt down there, make sure it's all on. Make sure your chain's on, put your nut on the other side, get your torque nuts out, tighten everything up. These were blue mark to blue mark, blue mark to blue mark. Somebody blue marked everything with a torque setting, so I just went everything back to the blue marks. And that's the belt changed. Now we put the pads in, and the pads need opening up, so we need to take the pressure out of them so we can get the disc between them. And we've got the puncture to do as well on that, and we've got the front pads to do as well, so we need to release the pressure out of them a little bit, and we should be able to get back on. But I need to fix the puncture, so the puncture's next, but that was easy, bish bash bosh.